Well, this is usually the time of the year when Delhi roads are jammed with families heading to each other's homes to drop off gifts. But this time round, the economic slowdown has meant a whole lot less being exchanged. In fact, the reliable SMS has been promoted from being a greeting to being the actual gift. Well, NDTV Metro Nation's Nandini Sirkar reports.
Ritu Bhatia usually sends dry fruit baskets to her friends and family for Diwali. But this year, she is in do-it-yourself mode. Ritu doesn't enjoy spending the day making mithai. But
हमारी फैमिली सबकी सर्विस क्लास या बिजनेस फैमिलीज ही हैं. मनी का फ्लो ही नहीं होगा तो कहाँ से होगा. फादर हस्बैंड हैं, उनके काफ़ी जो बिजनेस डीलिंग्स हैं उसमें आने वाली पार्टी सारी स्लो हो रही हैं. बिजनेस का स्लम देख रही हैं तो फिर काफी फर्क, चीज का रेट हाई होता जा रहा है तो नेचुरली 3 गुना हो गया और इनकम के सोर्स भी कम हो गए हैं. आप देख लीजिए कहाँ लास्ट ईयर 250 रुपए तक काजू था, इस बार वो 500 भी नहीं है अच्छा काजू.
So the homemade mithai will be sent only to a chosen few. For the others,
बहुत अच्छा है कि हम SMS करके ही सबको विश कर दें. वो ज्यादा इकोनॉमिकली भी पड़ेगा.
Ritu's 2 children have been told the house won't get the elaborate lights they had planned after all. And then there is this cutback too.
पिछले 2 साल से मुकाबले इस बारी दिवाली काफी खराब जा रही है, फीकी जा रही है. जैसे सब फैमिलीज के नए कपड़े आते थे, इस बारी वो थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएंगे. जैसे किसी को 2 गिफ्ट दिए जाते थे, वो 1 गिफ्ट दिया जाएगा.
It's not just families that are cutting back. Corporates aren't handing out their usual expensive gifts to long lists of clients.
The hospitality piece is what we have done is like about 4 lakh rupees, quite a number of years. The volume of transactions have gone down. Generally talking, the volume of transactions have gone down from 20 to 25%. So what we have done essentially this year is to create these kind of packages which do not take a toll on any corporate's pocket.
While the economic slowdown has been a major cause of concern for all this year, this festive season is visibly seeing a beating as everyone is busy curtailing costs. With camera person Vipin Kumar in New Delhi, Nandini Sirkar for NDTV.